Honda N-Van 2027 Review. The Honda N-Van 2027 shown here presents a practical and modern K-van design aimed at drivers who want a compact vehicle with excellent interior space. Its tall body, large windows, sliding doors, and clean front styling give it a useful combination of urban practicality and family-friendly comfort. The images suggest a refined evolution of the N-Van concept, although official 2027 specifications may differ from this visual concept. From the front, the N-Van has a confident appearance with a large chrome grille, the Honda badge, sharp headlights, and a sculpted bumper. The tall windshield provides the driver with a commanding view of the road, while the compact dimensions should make the vehicle easy to handle in busy streets and tight parking areas. The side profile focuses strongly on practicality. The tall roof creates useful interior height, while the sliding rear doors make entry and exit easier in narrow parking spaces. Honda's current N-Van also emphasizes large side and rear openings for convenient loading, a feature that makes the model attractive for both commercial and personal use. The rear design shown in the images is simple but modern, featuring vertically arranged taillights, a large rear hatch, a roof spoiler, and a clean bumper. The wide rear openings should make it easier to load luggage, camping equipment, bicycles, groceries, or work tools. This practical layout is one of the strongest reasons to consider an N-Van. Inside, the cabin shown here has a surprisingly comfortable appearance for a compact van. The patterned seats provide a more premium feel, while the dashboard is organized around the driver. The large windshield and side windows should help create an airy atmosphere and improve visibility during everyday driving. The dashboard combines a straightforward layout with a central infotainment screen, physical controls, storage areas, and a multifunction steering wheel. For a vehicle designed around practicality, this approach makes sense because drivers can reach important controls without unnecessary complexity. One of the biggest strengths of the N-Van is its flexible interior. Honda's current N-Van is designed around a low floor, tall cargo area, and large openings, while the passenger and rear seats can be folded to create a much larger usable space. This flexibility also makes the N-Van interesting as a mini camper or weekend adventure vehicle. With suitable equipment, the rear area can be transformed into a sleeping or storage space. Honda itself promotes the N-Van E for camping and overnight travel, including a full flat interior configuration. For city driving, the compact nature of the N-Van should be one of its biggest advantages. It can be easier to maneuver and park than a larger van, while its tall body still provides useful cargo capacity. This makes it suitable for small businesses, delivery work, families, and people who want a multi-purpose vehicle. Safety is another important area. Honda's current N-Van lineup includes Honda Sensing driver assistance technology, and the current N-Van also offers safety features designed to support everyday driving. For the 2027 model, buyers should check the final market-specific equipment list once Honda officially announces it. Powertrain details for a 2027 model should also be treated carefully because Honda has not established every future market specification in the information available today. The current N-Van is offered with conventional petrol powertrains, while the N-Van E adds an electric option. The current electric version uses front-wheel drive and a fixed ratio reduction system. The N-Van E is particularly interesting because Honda lists a WLTC driving range of up to 245 kilometers and a 29.6 kWh battery. Honda also states that 6 kW AC charging can take about 4.5 hours, while 50 kW rapid charging can reach approximately 80% in around 30 minutes under specified conditions. These figures are for the current N-Van E, not confirmed 2027 specifications. Another impressive feature of the electric version is its ability to provide external power with the appropriate equipment. Honda says the optional power supply system can provide up to 1,500 watts, making it useful for camping equipment, appliances, or emergency backup situations. Overall, the Honda N-Van 2027 shown in these images looks like a highly practical compact van with strong potential for families, small businesses, travelers, and camper enthusiasts. Its biggest advantages are the tall cabin, flexible cargo area, sliding doors, compact footprint, and practical interior design. The current N-Van starts at 1,498,200 yen in Japan, while the current N-Van E starts from 2,699,400 yen, but these are current prices rather than confirmed 2027 pricing. In conclusion, the Honda N Van 2027 could be an excellent choice for anyone who wants maximum practicality from a small vehicle. The design shown here combines a modern exterior with a flexible interior and strong everyday usability. If Honda carries these qualities forward while improving technology, comfort, efficiency, and safety, the next generation N Van could become an even more attractive choice for urban drivers and compact camper conversions.